So today we're gonna make a couple of conch horns.
Super exciting.
It's our first time, but from what we've seen, you don't need much tools. You need a
hacksaw, a marker, and one of these measurers.
Anything to measure.
And
you're gonna use a drill,
and
a rotary tool. Just something to sand off with. So the first thing you need to do is cut open the top, and you want it to be in between 3/4 of an inch and 5/8. So about this, they say about the size of a dime. So we're going to start by cutting off this top, and then we'll go from there. So we have both the tips sawed off. You can see on this one, you can see a little bit in there, but the bigger conch is still completely solid on the end. So both of them we need to drill out so that you can actually get air through there, through the whole conch to make the sound. Now that we have the hole drilled out, we're just gonna use the Dremel tool and smooth off the edges, and we should be done. If you did get a conch that was commercially harvested for its meat, you're gonna find a hole in one of these where they cut the foot of the conch so that they can actually pull it out, and you're gonna have to either patch that or cover it up with your finger when you actually play it. So one of them's finished.
The first one no one's living in.
We've been pretty lucky this trip. At first we saw a manatee, then we saw a ray, then we saw some dolphins.
Having the sail was like a total success because the sails out at the same time. You're going somewhere fun.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Yep, that's what's going on.